How to get dark mode on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually get dark mode on Snapchat, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to get dark mode on Snapchat, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Snapchat app on your phone, and then if I just come to my profile page over here, currently you can see that I'm in light mode. So if I want to switch to a dark mode, just tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen and then scroll down. You'll find the option called app appearance. Just tap on app appearance, and here you can see always light, always dark, and match system. So in this case you can just select the option called always dark, and then once you switch to always dark, you can see our Snapchat appearance has been successfully changed, and now we are actually on the dark mode. And this is how you can go ahead and then get dark mode on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.